This is the Dome Shaver Pro. The Dome Shaver Pro is made to work wet or dry. Remove the protective cap and press the power button to turn on the Dome Shaver Pro. Grip your shaver in one of two ways. You can either hold it by the handle or palm the blade pad with your hand. Gently glide the shaver across your head, making both straight and circular movements. And don't worry about those random bumps and potholes. Flex Adjust technology keeps all 5 blades in close contact with the scalp. To clean the Dome Shaver Pro, first turn the device off. Open the hair chamber by detaching the blade pad from the hair chamber. With everything detached, shake everything out of the hair chamber, then rinse the device and rotary blades under the faucet, and lay both pieces out on a small towel to air dry. To reattach the blade pad, align the blade pad with the hair chamber and they'll magnetically attach. The included USB-C cable will bring you to full charge in about 120 minutes and give you 90 minutes of runtime at full charge. The Dome Shaver Pro from Manscaped.